Today I made my most delicious chicken salad. This is what I done. Let me show you how I did it. Take your chicken breast and cut it in half lengthwise. This gives you two perfectly thin pieces that cook fast and stay juicy. Season your chicken pieces with your favorite spices. I'm using salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. For the best flavor, season your chicken pieces generously on both sides. Drizzle a little olive oil over your chicken breasts. Then rub the spices all over. This helps the seasoning sticks to pieces and make the flavorful chicken pieces. Get your pan hot and ready, then add a little olive oil. When the oil is hot and shimmering, add your chicken pieces to get perfect searing and lock the flavor. Frying your chicken pieces in about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Drop in a teaspoon of butter to enhance the taste and give your chicken a beautiful, rich finish. At the same time, I'm boiling 2 eggs in hot water in about 6 to 8 minutes, and I will add this to my dish. Wow, look at that. Our chicken pieces are looking gorgeous and perfectly golden brown, juicy, and full of flavor. Absolutely amazing. All right, and now let's get started on our delicious homemade salad dressing. I'm making a beautiful Mediterranean dressing with whole grain mustard, extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, a touch of honey, and pinch of salt and black pepper. Simple ingredients and huge flavor. Okay, let's bring it all together and build our delicious salad, layer by layer. I'm using mixed green salad, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, cut chicken, hard-boiled egg, avocado, and drizzle a generous amount of homemade dressing.
Oh, very delicious. 2 thumbs up. I wish you make this, follow this recipe, you make this salad and share this recipe with your friends and family. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you can be notified when I post another new delicious dish. Thank you for watching. Bye.